Whenever you join a new Canva team, you will always discover that all your projects have disappeared, or you will no longer be seeing all your designs in your homepage. Just like you can see on my homepage now, you can see that all my projects have disappeared. I am no longer seeing any design on my homepage, but that doesn't mean that I don't have projects in this Canva. I have, but because I have joined a new Canva team, all of them has disappeared. In case if you find yourself in this stage, do not panic. I am going to show you how you can recover all your lost projects, or how you can transfer your project from the previous team to this current team. So stay with me in this video from the beginning to the end. Let me walk you through the step-by-step guide on how you can transfer your project from the previous team to a new team, or how you can transfer your project from one team to another. In case if you have any lost projects, I'm going to show you how you can recover all of them. So let me go straight to my screen now to show you how you can transfer your project from a new team to another team. So if you come to this place now, you can see that when you click on my profile, you can see I have EazyCash Unlimited. This is a new team that I joined that made all my designs to disappear. But if you look at this place, you can see that I am already in a previous team which is called Tech Academy 0300. So this is my previous team, and in this place I have my designs over here. So but for now I have joined a new team which is called EazyCash Unlimited 03. All my designs have disappeared, but then all my designs are still in this team. How do I transfer it? I'm going to show you how you can transfer it from this team to this team. Now let me show you all my projects in this previous team. So as you can see, I have designs over here. So when I switch to this team now, you see that I have, so you can see I have switched to a previous team now, and you can see that I have previous project inside this team, but then this is no longer pro, right? So these are my projects in the previous team, but in the new team I joined, I'm no longer seeing them because I joined a new team. So if I should still leave my project in this place, I can no longer work on it because it is no longer pro. So because I have joined a new pro account, I have to transfer this project to the new team. So let me show you how you can do that in seconds. So to do that now, you can come to your home page. You can always be on your home page or under your project, right? So currently I'm under project. Even if you are on home page or project, you can still do this. So come straight to project. This is project. So when you click on it, it's going to show you all your recent projects in your Canva account. So all you want to do now is to locate each of these design. You can do it one after the other. So locate each of the design in case if you want to transfer this project now to the new account, which is pro. All you have to do now is to click on this three dot here. There are many ways you can do it, but this is just a simple way you can transfer your project to a new team. So when you click on these three dots, you can just go straight to copy to another team. Right now, when you click on copy to another team, it will show you the list of teams available in your account. So look at EazyCash Unlimited 03. If I select this team now, click on copy. Right now, when I click on copy, you see it copying to the new team. I'm also going to show you the second step you can also take, though you can choose from any of them, anyone that is easier for you. You choose and then follow the steps. So I've copied this now. If I want to copy the second one, I'll just click on these three dots again and go to copy to another team. Then when I click, I'll select the team I want to copy it to. In case in your own you are having multiple teams, all you have to do is just to locate the particular team you just joined that you want to transfer it to. In case if you have more than one team available in your own account, but in my own case I have only one team available, then the previous one is the current one I'm transferring from to this particular one. So I'm going to copy again. Now you see it's successfully copied. Then all you have to do now is to come back to your profile. Remember, you can always do this with either phone or PC. Anyone you are using, they are the same method. So when you click on your profile, locate your team. Look at this. When you click on this or just hover on it, you see the current team you are in and also the new team you are copying to. So let me select the new team I'm copying to. When I click on this now, it's going to switch to the new team I joined. Now I'll show you how to locate it inside this new team. Remember, when you transfer it, it's not going to appear immediately, but I'm going to show you how you can locate it inside the new team. So stay tuned. Now you can see that before I have no project over here, and you can see that the project I copied to this team is already here. Right, you can see it over here. So this is the first one I copied, this is the second one I copied. Now let me show you the second method you can always use to transfer your project from one Canva team to a new team. Now to do that, now let's go back to the previous team which we have the project on. Now to do that, now let's switch back to the previous team which will have the project in. Now this is your profile. Click on your profile over here, then come to this name. Under this name, you locate the previous team which you have the project inside. Now when you switch, all you have to do is to open any of the design you want to transfer. Take for instance, when you open this design, you can see that this is my current project, or you can see that there is Canva watermark here, and I can no longer edit this project inside this Canva team. So I have to transfer it to the pro account which I just joined. If I should download this now like this, it's going to have this Canva watermark and it will be blurred. It's no longer going to be bright. So all I have to do now is to transfer it to the new team which I just joined, and that team is a pro account. So click on this share button you are seeing over here. When you click on it, come down to this, you can see this only you can access. You can see this key button over here. What this means is that even if you copy this link and share, you are the only one that can access it. So now to transfer it to a new team, click on this drop down icon over here. Then when you click on it, select anyone with a link. Make sure you select anyone with a link. When you select it, it means that anyone you share this link to can edit this project inside this Canva, right? So all you have to do now is to copy the link. So when you copy the link now, you can now switch back to your previous account, right? You now switch back to your previous account, which is the new team you just joined. So to do that, come to your profile, then locate this name here. When you hover on it, it's going to show you the two accounts which you are in. This is the current pro account. You can see that this is free, and this is the current pro account which you want to transfer the project to. So select it now to switch to the pro account. Now when you switch, all you have to do now is to come to a new tab or a new browser. Now open a new tab, paste the link that you have copied. Now when you paste it, click on enter. It is going to open on the new team, right? You see this, it's going to open on the new team and the watermark will now disappear. Can you see it? So in the previous team it has watermark. Now you have transferred it to a new team and the watermark has disappeared. So you can now edit it in this team. After editing it, you can now download it without Canva watermark, and it is not going to be blurred. It's going to be bright. So this is just a simple way to transfer your project from a free account or from one team to another team. And then it is also how you can recover your lost project inside Canva whenever you join a new team. So I guess you find value in this video. If you really do, feel free to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and then turn on the notification button so as you always be updated whenever I post new awesome videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.